Okay guys, my phone ran out of storage, so now I'm on my second account, which is my tablet.
With your
Girl.
cousins.
Yeah, with my cousin.
This is the flag. This is the mansion.
What kind of mansion is this? What's it so tall?
I'm an engineer.
This looks like an elevator.
Oh, that's this building.
Elevator.
This is the
The what?
sala.
Sala?
Sala. And this is the bed. And this is the kitchen. And this is the bathroom. Oh my god.
Oh.
But
Okay.
we're gonna sleep in the bed.
Oh my god, guys! I forgot, guys!
What?
To close the door, guys.
Wait. We're gonna make again.
So what's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'm back. Guys,
Hey guys, she's not a YouTuber.
I have
said
40
she's
subs.
not a
I have
YouTuber.
70 subs.
Where?
YouTube.
Okay. Then.
Go build the house. Go build the mansion.
What?
I'll just watch.
My god.
Here.
Here.
I'll help you.
I want 5.
5?
Yes.
Damn. Here is your fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Gnarly.
Like gnarly.
Yeah, gnarly.
You remember the touch?
Your touch. Here, more French fries for you.
Si Sophia kay Philippines.
Ako. Ay, dili, oy.
Si Sophia sa Katsay, Philippines mo na siya. Ang uban kay Indonesia.
Ako Pilipina. Ako, French fries. Agbong na ko ni ron.
Wait.
So you guys. Okay. What now?
We're sick.
Yeah, we are. We have sip on. There goes.
Cassie is a ghost.
You're a ghost. You're the aswang.
My name is Yana. She is a Cassie. I promise. But she's so ugly.
You're more uglier.
You're so sassy.
Yeah.
You're the more sassy.
Yeah.
But you're not ugly and sassy. You're newbie.